No, prego. E poi dico Massimo, guarda.
Via dei Condotti, known simply as Via Condotti, is one of the best-known streets in Rome. Located in the northern area of the historic center, the so-called Trident, it connects Via del Corso to the Spanish Steps. Via dei Condotti connects the Spanish Steps to Largo Carlo Goldoni and corresponds to a section of the ancient Via Trinitatis, opened in the first half of the 16th century under the pontificate of Paul III Farnese and continued under Julius III. The street, so named because it led, and still leads, to Trinità dei Monti, also included Via della Fontanella di Borghese and Via del Clementino. Before taking on the mystical name of Via Trinitatis, this street, albeit in a reduced format, must certainly have been part of that modest road complex that descended from the Horti Luculliani to the lower area of Campo Marzio. As evidence that our street followed the route of an ancient Roman road, at the corner with Via del Corso a section of paving stones, a typical Roman pavement, was discovered, and in 1794 the remains of a large octave-style temple were surveyed under a building. In the Middle Ages various houses of little importance formed an early urban fabric in the street, which was defined after centuries, precisely between the 15th and 16th centuries, a period that was followed by the Baroque phase that still appears today, despite the transformations made in the modern phase. The Via Trinitatis assumed its current name of the Condotti when Pope Gregory XIII had the conduits of the Aqua Vergina run underground. According to legend, however, the term Condotti would derive from the Latin ducti, but in the sense of guided, led, referring to Agrippa's soldiers who in 19 B.C., thirsty, were led by a maiden to the spring of water, which was given precisely the name Aqua Vergina. Today it is the capital's main luxury district, home to the boutiques of Dior, Gucci, Hermes, Bulgari, Armani, Jimmy Choo, La Perla, Prada, Salvatore Ferragamo, Celine, Moncler, Dolce & Gabbana, Max Mara, Brioni, Sergio Rossi, Zenga, Van Cleef, and Arpels, Loro Piana, Alberta Ferretti, Stuart Weitzman, Damiani, Michael Kors, Swarovski, Buccellati, Rolex, Harry Winston, Tod's, Cartier, Montblanc, Tiffany & Co., Louis Vuitton, the historic Café Greco, and at the far end on Largo Goldoni are Fendi storefronts.